Hi guys, and welcome to this quick video as to why I am returning my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, as you know, the brand new iPhones came out last Friday. You have the 16 and the 16 Pros, and if I'm honest, I'm more impressed with the 16s, the base ones. In terms of colors, they've released some brilliant colors this year, with my personal favorites being ultramarine and teal. And both sets of iPhones pretty much identical, apart from a few pro camera features such as 5x zoom and some video recording capabilities as well. Now, one of the main reasons to upgrade to the 16s is basically camera control. Now, Apple have decided to include that on both devices this year, instead of actually making it a Pro exclusive, so that's something nice. But I just don't find it to be a compelling reason to upgrade. It's not that comfortable for me to hold. It's in an awkward placement, which a lot of other people have actually complained about. And I rarely ever use my phone in landscape in order to record videos or take photos. And even when I do, the placement is still awkward where you're having to reach across the phone. So it's just a really weird placement for them to put it. I usually shoot vertical videos and photos mainly, and I've tried using it one-handed, and yeah, it's like I'm gonna pretty much let go of my phone or it's gonna fall. So yeah, I don't want to do that and risk that. As well as that, Apple Intelligence is another feature that they've heavily touted on the brand new iPhones, and with mine being a 15 Pro Max, I actually have that already. I'm on 18.1 beta, and yeah, there's nothing that special about it. Apple themselves have said that a lot of these features are going to be rolling out over the next few months. I think January is when we're going to probably have all the features, with October being a release for 18.1 to the general public. I've had to play around with it, and it's okay. It's nothing special. But the fact is, there's not that much difference between the 16 Pro Max and the 15 Pro Max. The camera already is incredible. Yes, they've upgraded the ultra wide megapixels to 48, I think, compared to the 12. But even then, there's not that much of a difference, in my honest opinion. The speed on my current iPhone is really good. The battery is still okay as well. I've still got 100% battery health, so I'm not really complaining. And I can average around 6, 7, 8 hours of screen time, which is really good. Yes, the extra 15% boost in speed is nice to have, but I mean, who's gonna notice the difference to the average user? And I'm coming from a perspective of an average user. There is honestly not that much of an upgrade between both devices. Yes, if you're on a 13 or a 14, there's some leeway to upgrading, especially if you're on a 14. I mean, sorry, especially if you're on a 13, but honestly, if you're on a 14 or a 15, just stick to it. I mean, if you really want Apple Intelligence, yeah, go ahead, get the 16 Pro Max. But I mean, you could easily go with the 15 and you'll be happy. So yeah, that's my reason for not upgrading.